what's the old farmer say? When it's raining, put your buckets out. What does that have to do with me and AI? Come on, I'm serious. So, chewing on this, better articulating this. There's really three ways when it comes to AI to help your business. Number one, you can save a lot of money. There's tons of opportunity out there for saving money with your business. And that doesn't mean that you have to cut staff. That could just mean that you're going to augment them to do a lot better and different work. And there's stuff out there, right? You can do your own marketing content. You can have and install and create an AI receptionist if you've got somebody answering the phones for you. There's tons, and lead generation. There's just tons and tons and tons of opportunity out there. Number two, you can make money. I've got tons of ways that I've worked with other people to make more money for their businesses by using AI. Some people are generating marketing content for others. Some people are identifying, documenting, and building entire processes using AI agents. That way, they're not limited to the amount of hours they want to work anymore. Buddy of mine, John McGee, he's got a process for building unique selling propositions. Wonderful stuff. It's his intellectual property. We took all of that, we added it into an AI assistant, and now he can sell access to that assistant. He's actually making money off of it. People love it. They've been raving about it. It's awesome. You'll see the testimonials on my stuff. Number three, stability. You can add a lot of stability to your business. And listen, I don't watch the news, but I get news in my news feed. There is a lot of volatility happening in the world today, and it's going to find its way into your business. I'm hearing a lot of people say they can't hire. The people that they do hire, they can't seem to keep. Standard operating procedures in an assistant that can be tweaked and updated in real time, always in the same place, never have to worry about where it is again. You don't have to go to Julie's cubicle and grab that little piece of laminated paper to find out what you're supposed to do to follow that process. All of that can be implemented in an AI assistant in no time flat, relatively inexpensive. I mean, actually, when I think about technology investment, it's really cheap. I mean, we're talking a couple $100 a month, maybe, if that, depending on how you wanted to go about it. FAQs for your website. The future of SEO and search is bot-to-bot communications. There's tons of ways that you can help stabilize your business for the medium and long term by implementing AI. Here's the thing. AI is raining opportunity on businesses. Put your buckets out. When it rains, it pours. Put your buckets out. Don't wait for it to start raining. Don't wait for you to hear the rain on your roof. Put your buckets out now and start catching it. Don't wait. This stuff is moving so amazingly fast. It's funny. I was reading an Inc. article the other day, and 138 Fortune 500 executives were polled. 68% of them saw AI as a threat. I wanted to drill down into what does that mean? They see AI as a threat because they know they're not doing enough with it yet, and their competition is. They're worried that their competition is using AI, and they're not. Take action now, folks. That's the takeaway. That's my advice. Mad love to everybody out there. I'd love to hear what you have to say below. If you like it, you guys know how to interact with all of that stuff. Subscribe and like and comment below, but put your buckets out. Because whether you can hear it hitting the roof or not, it's raining, and it's only going to pick up from here. Talk soon.